Your 2025 cruise adventure starts now. Hey everyone, Swale here. And let's be honest, who doesn't love a good vacation? And when it comes to vacations, cruises offer something truly special. We're not just talking about transportation from one place to another. We're talking about floating resorts, amazing destinations, and memories that last a lifetime. Now, whether you're a seasoned cruiser or you're thinking about taking your first voyage, planning that perfect getaway can be a bit overwhelming. So many options, so many amazing destinations. Don't worry, I got you. In this video, we're going to chart a course through the exciting world of cruising. We'll explore the top cruise lines for 2025, uncover the most popular routes, and highlight some must-see destinations. I'm talking turquoise waters, stunning beaches, and vibrant cultures just waiting to be explored. So, sit back, relax, and let's get this adventure started. First up, we're setting sail with Royal Caribbean International, a name synonymous with innovation and pushing the boundaries of what a cruise ship can be. These aren't your average ships, folks. We're talking about engineering marvels, packed with more thrills than you can shake a stick at. Think towering water slides that plunge you into a world of excitement, surf simulators that let you hang 10 without ever leaving the deck, and even zip lines that give you a bird's-eye view of the action. And for the truly adventurous, how about a skydiving simulator or a robotic bartender whipping up your favorite cocktails? But it's not just about the thrills. Royal Caribbean knows how to cater to the entire family. From Broadway-style shows that'll leave you breathless to imaginative kids clubs that'll make parents wish they could join in, there's something for every age and interest. And let's not forget about the destinations. Royal Caribbean sails to all corners of the globe, from the sun-drenched Caribbean to the awe-inspiring glaciers of Alaska, and everywhere in between. So, whether you're dreaming of soaking up the sun on a pristine beach or exploring ancient ruins, Royal Caribbean has an adventure waiting for you. This is a cruise line that truly lives up to its name, offering a royal experience that's big, bold, and unforgettable. Next, we are hopping aboard Carnival Cruise Line, a name that's practically synonymous with fun in the sun. If you're looking for a cruise that's all about letting loose, having a blast, and creating memories that'll have you smiling for years to come, then Carnival is your ticket to a good time. Picture this, you're lounging by the pool, tropical drink in hand, as the DJ spins the latest hits. Laughter fills the air as you challenge your friends to a game of volleyball, and the aroma of delicious food from the nearby grill has your taste buds dancing. That's the Carnival vibe. And the best part? Carnival makes cruising affordable without compromising on fun. They offer a wide range of itineraries and destinations, with a particular focus on the Caribbean and Mexico, so you can find the perfect cruise to fit your budget and your travel dreams. Whether you're traveling with your family, your significant other, or a group of friends, Carnival has something for everyone. From water parks that'll bring out your inner child to comedy shows that'll have you rolling in the aisles, there's never a dull moment on a Carnival cruise. So if you're ready to trade in your worries for waves, your stress for sunshine, and your to-do list for a tropical cocktail, then set your sights on Carnival Cruise Line. The name says it all. Now, let's talk about breaking the mold and cruising on your own terms with Norwegian Cruise Line, or as they like to call it, NCL. NCL is all about freedom and flexibility, offering what they call freestyle cruising. What does that mean for you? It means you're in the driver's seat. No more rigid schedules, no more assigned seating, and no more stuffy dress codes. NCL empowers you to create your own adventure, choosing from a multitude of dining options, activities, and entertainment that suit your style and your pace. Feel like dressing up for a fancy dinner at a world-class restaurant? Go for it. Prefer a casual bite under the stars? They've got you covered. Want to spend your day lounging by the pool, trying out the rock climbing wall, or catching a Broadway show? The choice is yours. And with NCL's diverse range of destinations, you can explore the world in style and on your own terms. From the tropical paradise of Hawaii to the cultural wonders of Europe and beyond, NCL opens up a world of possibilities. So, if the thought of a traditional cruise has you feeling a little boxed in, NCL's freestyle cruising might be just what you need to break free and experience cruising in a whole new light. Get ready to say ciao to La Dolce Vita as we step aboard MSC Cruises, a line that exudes European elegance and sophistication. With their roots firmly planted in Italian hospitality, MSC offers a cruising experience that's both refined and welcoming. Imagine strolling along the promenade, the scent of freshly baked pastries filling the air, as you admire the stunning design and attention to detail that's evident in every corner of the ship. This is a cruise line that knows how to create an ambience that's both luxurious and inviting. And with a truly international audience, you'll find yourself surrounded by a vibrant tapestry of cultures, making new friends and sharing unforgettable experiences with fellow travelers from around the globe. MSC is also incredibly family-friendly, with fantastic kids clubs and programs that will keep the little ones entertained for hours on end. And the best part for parents? Kids often sail free with MSC, making it an even more appealing option for families looking for an incredible value. So, whether you're yearning to explore the sun-kissed shores of the Mediterranean, venture to the exotic Caribbean, or discover the wonders of South America, MSC Cruises offers a world of possibilities, all while enveloping you in Italian charm and sophistication. Now, let's talk about a cruise line that's truly fit for royalty, Princess Cruises. Known for their premium experience, elegant ships, and exceptional service, Princess offers a cruise vacation that's all about indulging in the finer things in life. From the moment you step aboard, you'll be treated like a VIP with attentive staff catering to your every need. Whether you're relaxing by the pool, enjoying a gourmet meal, or taking in a Broadway caliber show, Princess goes above and beyond to ensure your comfort and satisfaction. And for those who dream of exploring the far corners of the globe, Princess's World Cruises offer the ultimate adventure. Circumnavigate the globe, experiencing different cultures, breathtaking landscapes, and creating memories that will last a lifetime. But it's not just about the destinations with Princess, it's about enriching your journey along the way. They offer a wide array of onboard enrichment programs, from culinary demonstrations and wine tastings to guest lectures and art exhibitions, allowing you to return home not just with souvenirs, but with new knowledge and perspectives. So if you're ready to embark on a cruise vacation that's as enriching as it is relaxing, Princess Cruises is ready to welcome you aboard. Get ready to experience modern luxury at its finest with Celebrity Cruises, a line that's known for its sleek ships, innovative design, and dedication to providing a sophisticated onboard experience. From the moment you step onto a Celebrity ship, you'll be struck by the contemporary elegance and attention to detail. Think chic lounges with panoramic ocean views, stylish staterooms designed for comfort and relaxation, and an overall ambience that exudes modern sophistication. And let's talk about the food. Celebrity takes dining to the next level, with a focus on fresh, locally sourced ingredients and menus crafted by Michelin-starred chefs. Whether you're indulging in a romantic dinner for two or enjoying a casual meal with friends, you're in for a culinary treat. For those seeking an even more exclusive experience, Celebrities The Retreat offers a haven of luxury and personalized service. With private lounges, dedicated restaurants, and a dedicated concierge team, The Retreat takes pampering to a whole new level. So, if you're looking for a cruise line that seamlessly blends modern luxury with enriching experiences and exceptional service, Celebrity Cruises is ready to welcome you aboard. Get ready to say buongiorno to a world of Italian charm and hospitality as we step aboard Costa Cruises. With their roots firmly planted in Italian tradition, Costa offers a cruising experience that's as warm and inviting as it is stylish and sophisticated. From the moment you board, you'll be immersed in Italian culture, from the friendly and attentive staff to the delicious regional cuisine and the lively atmosphere that honestly just permeates the ship. Get ready for evenings filled with live music, dancing, and the infectious joy of Italian hospitality. And speaking of Italian hospitality, Costa Cruises is known for its family-friendly atmosphere. They offer fantastic kids programs, ensuring that even the littlest travelers have an unforgettable vacation. But it's the destinations that truly make Costa Cruises shine. With a strong focus on the Mediterranean, Costa offers a front row seat to some of the world's most iconic destinations. You can explore ancient ruins in Greece, soak up the sun on the beaches of Spain, and savor the flavors of Italy, all while enjoying the comfort and convenience of a Costa cruise. So if you're looking for a cruise experience that's as enriching as it is relaxing, as stylish as it is welcoming, and as passionate about food, culture, and hospitality as Italians themselves, then Costa Cruises is ready to welcome you aboard. Now, let's step aboard Holland America Line, a cruise line that embodies classic elegance and a passion for exploration. With a rich history dating back over a century, Holland America has perfected the art of creating a cruise experience that's both sophisticated and enriching. From the moment you step aboard one of their elegant ships, you'll be transported to a world of timeless sophistication. Think grand lobbies adorned with fresh flowers, spacious staterooms designed for comfort and relaxation, and an overall ambience that exudes classic elegance. And for those who believe that life is about the journey, not just the destination, Holland America's longer itineraries offer the perfect opportunity to truly immerse yourself in the cultures and landscapes of the regions you visit. But it's not just about the destinations with Holland America. It's about enriching your journey along the way. They offer a robust onboard enrichment program, from culinary demonstrations and wine tastings to guest lectures, cultural performances, and art exhibitions. So, if you're looking for a cruise experience that's as enriching as it is relaxing, as elegant as it is adventurous, and as dedicated to providing exceptional service as it is to showcasing the wonders of the world, then Holland America Line is ready to welcome you aboard. Calling all adventurers seeking a more intimate and immersive cruising experience. Viking Ocean Cruises, known for their adults-only atmosphere, invites you to explore the world in a sophisticated and enriching way. Imagine this: you're sailing past breathtaking fjords in Norway, the crisp air filling your lungs. Or perhaps you're exploring ancient ruins in the Mediterranean, the sun warming your skin. With Viking, you can do all of this and more, surrounded by like-minded adults who share your passion for discovery. Viking's smaller, more intimate ships allow them to access ports that larger ships can't, offering a more exclusive and immersive experience. And with a focus on cultural immersion, you'll have the opportunity to truly connect with the destinations you visit, from learning local languages to participating in hands-on workshops and excursions. And here's the best part: Viking includes practically everything in their fares, from shore excursions to beer, wine, and specialty dining. That means you can leave your worries and your wallet behind and fully embrace the journey. So if you're ready to trade in the hustle and bustle for a more relaxed and enriching cruising experience, Viking Ocean Cruises is ready to welcome you aboard. Fasten your seatbelts, because we're about to enter the world of ultra-luxury cruising with lines like Silversea, Regent, Seven Seas and Seabourn. These aren't just cruises, they're floating palaces, offering an unparalleled level of luxury, service and exclusivity. Picture yourself being pampered in spacious suites with private balconies, enjoying personalized butler service and dining on gourmet cuisine crafted by world-renowned chefs. This is a world where every detail is meticulously attended to and every whim is catered to. And the destinations? Think exotic islands, remote corners of the globe and iconic cities, all explored in the utmost comfort and style. Imagine sipping champagne as you sail past glaciers in Alaska, or enjoying a private tour of a historic palace in Europe. But it's not just about the luxurious amenities and exotic destinations, it's about the all-encompassing experience. These lines offer truly all-inclusive fares, meaning everything from unlimited shore excursions to fine wines, gratuities, and even pre- and post-cruise hotel stays are included. So if you're ready to embark on a journey that redefines luxury travel, where every moment is meticulously crafted to exceed your expectations, then Silversea, Regent, Seven Seas, or Seabourn are ready to welcome you aboard. Well, there you have it, folks. We've sailed through an incredible lineup of cruise lines, each offering its own unique flavor of adventure. I hope this video has inspired you to start planning your dream cruise vacation for 2025. Remember, before you set sail, be sure to check your passport expiration date, look into travel insurance, and stay up to date on the latest health protocols. And if you're feeling overwhelmed by all the amazing choices, don't hesitate to reach out. Whether you're dreaming of a Caribbean getaway, a European adventure, or a world cruise, I'm here to help you find the perfect cruise to fit your budget, your travel style, and your dreams. Until next time, happy cruising!